Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to send an email through Google Sheets. So first, make sure your internet connection is turned on. Then click on these dots on the right corner of the screen and scroll down to select Sheets. Now, open up a blank spreadsheet. Now we're going to set up 3 of the columns in the spreadsheet for the email we want to send. In the first column, enter email address. Then in the second column, enter subject. And in the third column, enter the message. And I'll just select these 3 columns, make the text bold, and align them in the center, and expand them a bit. And under the email address column, enter the email address of whoever you'd like to send it to. Make sure the email address is valid, otherwise the message won't send. And under the subjects section, enter the subject of the message. And under the message section, enter the message you'd like to send. And once you have all this set up, click on Extensions, then select App Script, and it will open a new tab. And in this app script, we're going to write a short code. Don't worry, it isn't anything complicated. So inside the function, enter let's sheets. Make sure to start each word with a small letter, equals, then start this next words with capital letters, spreadsheets, app, starting with a capital letter, dot, get active spreadsheets. And here you can see the suggestions, so just select that. And when writing this code, you need to be careful. Make sure you get everything right, from the casing to the spacing. Otherwise, the code might not work. So after the active spreadsheets, enter a bracket and a semicolon. Then hit enter. And on the second line, enter let's address, the email address on this sheet, equal sheet dot get range, and make sure you start it with a small letter and the range with a capital letter, then brackets, and inside this we're going to enter where the email address is. In my case, this is column A, row 2. So here I'm going to enter quotation marks, then A2, and start the column name with a capital letter, then enter dot get value. Start the get with a small letter and the value with a capital letter. Then brackets and a semicolon. Then hit enter. Then select this line of code, right click and copy it, then paste it on the third line. And in place of address here, we're going to enter subject and go back to the original sheet and look at the column and the row where the subject is. In my case, it is B2. So I'm going to change A2 here to B2. And once again, hit enter, right click, and paste the code you copied earlier. But this time, change address to body. And this is the body of our email, the message we want to send. Head back to the spreadsheet and confirm the placement of this message. My case is C2, so I'm going to change this to C2. Then hit enter, and here enter mail app. It's showing me this suggestion, so I'm going to select that. Dot send email. I'm going to select this suggestion. Then brackets, and inside this, we're going to enter these 3 variables we declared here, which is address, comma, space, subject, comma, and another space, then body. Then outside the brackets, enter a semicolon. Now click on this to save your project. And click Run to run the code. And it will show you that you need authorization to access this data. Click Review Permissions. And now just sign into the account you want to use to send the email. Then click on Advanced and continue. Go to Untitled Projects. Don't worry about this, it's completely safe. So click on Go to Untitled Projects. And it will show this new page. Simply click on Allow. And once you allow the access, our code will be executed. If you don't see these messages here, you may need to click on Run again to run the function. And if I head to my email, I'll see the message right here in my inbox. Now there's just one last thing. Open up a new tab and enter quotas for Google services and hit enter. Now just click to open up this first website here. And here you see the quotas for this app scripts, sending emails using Google Sheets, how many people you can send messages to per day, or the limitations, just things like that. So if you were to run into any problems or see any errors after sending many emails, that probably means your quota has been reached. But don't worry, the quota resets each new day. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.